Is your smile holding you back? Have you ever considered cosmetic dentistry? Dr. Brad Beasley of Beasley Cosmetic and General Dentistry has been nationally recognized and awarded for his commitment to the highest standards of cosmetic dentistry and the dramatic results achieved with each and every one of his patients. So sit back and take a few moments to discover how you too can have the perfect smile.
Hi, I'm Dr. Brad Beasley of Beasley Cosmetic and General Dentistry. We'd like to take this opportunity to show you some of the technology and advances that we have today in cosmetic dentistry. Basically, in the cases that we've looked at, we've been able to see what a dramatic improvement restoring a patient's smile can be, especially when they have worn teeth. When our teeth wear and become shorter, they always age the smile and make the person look older. So we tend to cheat Mother Nature with cosmetic dentistry, lengthening those teeth back up and giving a patient a smile that they had when they were much younger. And that really is one of the more powerful things that cosmetic dentistry does. When we talk about cosmetic dentistry and a new patient who first comes into our office, the first records that we take are an effort for us to get to know that person. We want to take a full series of photographs, a full series of x-rays and gum disease screenings, things that are common in dentistry that we would use to study the health of a person's mouth. But in cosmetic dentistry, we take many visual photographs both of a patient's smile from a headshot view and from the inside the mouth view, because we really have to analyze more things in cosmetic dentistry than just general dentistry alone might address.
Let's review some of Dr. Beasley's case studies.
Well, talking about Linda, Linda was a patient that was new to our practice. She was going to lose one of her front teeth, and that's a big concern for a lot of us. A very, very distraught time in her life. And what we considered were different options. She could go with a bridge to replace a missing front tooth. She could go with an implant. She had pretty natural, healthy teeth. The last thing that we wanted to do was crown teeth that were good and healthy. So we chose to do an implant.
When we started the procedure of doing the implant, it takes several office visits to get this procedure done. And the office staff, they worked very well with me. They worked around my schedule when I would be able to come to the office, and I was very pleased with that. I would recommend that you use Dr. Beasley. Him and his staff make you feel very comfortable. They take out the fear of going to the dentist. They are very professional, and he offers the latest technology that is out there. And since I've got my implant with this crown, I feel very confident with my smile.
A single implant is very strong. It can't decay. When we go to that single implant and put a crown over that, it's very long lasting, but most importantly, it disappeared in her smile. You can't see that we did any dentistry, and that's what I judge to be a success. With Jimmy, we had a situation that was very unique in that he had failing dentistry. He had previous bridges that were decaying, and we had to consider options that would replace his missing teeth. We considered bridges again, we considered implants, and we considered a partial. Of all those options, the partial was the most affordable for him, and it offered a good result. It was able to deliver what we needed, which was replacing many missing teeth. We also did bridge work in the front part of his smile, and we were able to add length that he had lost and whiten his teeth in the anterior porcelain work, which really made a dramatic improvement in his smile.
I'm very happy with the results I've got, and it saved me money too.
If fear is a factor, non-IV sedation and/or spa relaxation amenities are available. To start your transformation today, contact Beasley Cosmetic and General Dentistry at 256-233-1400 or email at info@beasleydentistry.com.